dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Outre. They sent over one of their newer units from their melted hairline collection by the name of, I want to say it's Casella. This is how she's looking on the stock card, and then here's a back version of how she looks as well. I would say for the most part, what you see on the stock card is what you're going to get in reality. This unit comes in multiple colors, with 7 of those colors being specialty colors. This one is a specialty color. It's the same color as the one on the stock card, and it goes by the name of, or the color of it is DRFF2/Fudge Sunday. I chose this color because, I mean, number one, on the stock card, she's gorgeous, she's eating it up. But then also, I am somebody who typically likes a like 1B/613 or blonde moment. Now, I will say sometimes that combination can give off very gray, but I don't know. Like I said, on the stock card, she was eating it up. Another specialty color I wouldn't have mind trying would have been, what was it? The 430 Pica 3527. I don't know. I love me a good red moment as well, so I feel like that one would have been real cute as well. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also has the adjustable straps and the pre-attached security band as well. When it comes to the lace space on this unit, I mean, if you guys have any melted hairline units, then you know you get that little slither pretty much of a space, and then they call it day. Actually, let me take that back, because there are some melted hairline units that have, I want to say it's called like the extra wide parting space, and I want to say you get about like 2 inches worth of space or something like that, or it might just be an inch. I don't know, but it's bigger than this one. This one be getting a little skinny line, and that's it. When it comes to the hairline on this unit, I want to say you get about like an inch, yeah, worth of hair on the actual lace, and then of course a ton of baby hairs. Typically I'll have like little clips to throw in here and there to like show you guys the inside of the cap, but I'm not gonna lie to you, at first I was not gonna record this review. I was just going to do a TikTok and then call it a day, but then once I put her on and got myself together, I was like, oh, the girls need a review. The unit does come with a pre-plucked hairline, but I will say that like I feel like the pre-pluckedness of this unit for the most part is like right in the front. On the sides, it's like they didn't even touch it. According to the stock card, it does say that this unit can take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit worth of heat. Now, I didn't use any heat on this unit except for right here to create like a little baby hair moment, and I use my Red by Kiss pencil flat iron, and that one doesn't have like an adjustment knob to where you can, like, you know, put it at 350 or 400 or whatever. I believe it just goes up to 450. Now mind you, whenever I do create a little baby hair on a synthetic unit, I'm swooping it real quick. I'm not letting it sit there for very long. So I say all that to say that it didn't melt the hair or anything like that, but again, I would not use a flat iron or excessive heat on a synthetic unit. This unit is said to be 22 inches long, meaning the longest length on this unit is going to be 22 inches, because as you can see, there are like a few layers here and there on the unit. But yeah, those are pretty much all of the specs I want to talk about in regards to this unit. So let's go ahead and install her, and then of course I'll come back with my pros and cons. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons with this unit, and we're going to start with my cons first. The one and only con I have is really not a con to me, because like I'm expecting it, and that's the fact that this unit is going to like tangle at the nape of the neck. Again, personally, I'm not really looking at it as a con because it's a synthetic unit. I'm gonna expect it. I will also say that there is some shedding going on, and honestly, I'm not sure if that's from where and how I like cut my ear tabs to like go around my ears and stuff like that, or it's just from the unit. So it's like, I don't really say it's a full-on con, because it could have honestly been because of me. So yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to my pros, and my first one is going to be love the color. Like, love the color blend. Like, Outre is going to do it for me every time. Like, you cannot tell me that I didn't go to the salon and get like a professional coloring done on this unit. Like, it just looks so good. My next pro for this unit is going to be the fact that she is a light yaki textured unit. Like, I don't know how many times I gotta say it, but I love me a good yaki textured unit. I want to say we're on my third pro for this unit, and that's going to be the density of this unit. Typically, whenever I think or hear of yaki textured units, I'm going to automatically assume that she's like very thick, very full, you know, somewhere in that area. That's not the case with this one. To me, I feel like she's a very everyday wear type of density. Now, to some people, she might feel too light, and I'm not gonna lie, whenever I look at the stock card, it does look like it would be a little bit fuller, but like, I'm not mad at this density. Like, I can wear this year round and still feel comfortable, and that's my main thing I want to do. Now, speaking of the density in comparison to the stock card, earlier I did say that what you're getting on the stock card for the most part is what you're getting in reality as well. And I say that because right here on the back, you have like all these really pretty like curls and stuff like that. You're not really getting that with this unit in person, and I don't know, it could have been the fact that maybe I brushed them all out, I don't know, but like when this unit is all flipped to the back, it's just like, it's flat, but I'm okay with it. But somebody who's looking at that might not be okay with it, you know? My last pro for this unit is going to be the slight layers and curls that were put on this unit. Like, I am somebody who loves me a good unit that's styled like this. Give me a side part. Give me a few layers in the front. Give me a slight curl. I don't need no tight curl, just a little slight curl. I don't know, it just always makes me feel like very put together. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much all of my thoughts and opinions about the unit. Again, didn't plan on filming this video, but I really wanted to share her with you, so I hope I didn't take up too much of y'all's time. If you guys have any questions about the unit, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try to get to them all. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.